Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you use Notion in 2026 for notes, projects or content planning, connecting Claude can turn your workspace into a fully AI powered knowledge and productivity system. Auto-generates content, summarize notes in databases, automate workflows, turn Notion into a smart knowledge assistant. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Claude with Notion in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, choose your integration method. So there are three main ways to connect Claude with Notions. So automation tools, we have direct API integration, and we have manual workflow. Okay, so on the automation tools, which is the most popular, for example, we have Zapier, Make, we have workflow automation platform, so easy to set up, no heavy coding required, very flexible. We have direct API integration, which is the method number 2, which is advanced. It gives you the full control, custom automation logic, and best for developers. And the third, which is manual workflow, copy content between tools, simple but not automated. So most users choose automation tools. Okay, so inside Notion, go to Notion developer dashboard, click create integration, name your integration, copy your Notion API token. This allows external apps to access your workspace. Okay, this step is often missed, so open your Notion page or database, click share, invite your integration. If you skip this, Claude cannot access content. Okay, so get your Claude API key to connect AI processing, open Claude developer dashboard, generate API key, and store securely. Claude API equals AI engine. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.